Do you like to take things apart and put them back together? If so, that could lead to a great job in one of our area's many manufacturing facilities. You could make it as a skilled assembler. After the parts for a project or system have been made, skilled assemblers step in to put it all together. They may work alone or as part of a technical team. If the project is a team effort, each member learns a specific part of the process, as well as all other tasks to be completely familiar with the entire assembly procedure. The training necessary to make it as a skilled assembler depends on the type of manufacturing. This job is a key position in most operations that produce mechanical components or electrical systems. Both industries continue to offer job opportunities where you can make it with a rewarding paycheck and employment security. Mechanical assemblers use a wide variety of tools and skills to put products together correctly. Following detailed schematics for the assembly process, workers install each component in a predetermined sequence to build the finished product. An eye for detail and the ability to interpret instructions are very important to complete the project successfully.
My name is Jeremy Dedinger. I graduated from Eastern New York High School and I work at Welding Solutions. I've been working here now for about 6 years. When I first got out of high school, I worked at a hydraulic shop, and then I went to an electrical and communications contractor, but my best move was when I came here to work in the manufacturing field. It's a really great field to be in. I make real good money, enough to support my wife and 2 kids, and it's probably the best decision I made.
You might find yourself assembling a complicated machine or a massive unit fabricated from steel. Whatever the job, the challenges and rewards are as big as your expectations.
Hi, my name's Tammy McCoy. I'm a team leader here at New Standard Corporation. And after I graduated from York Suburban High School, I bounced around a couple different jobs, and minimum wage I didn't really like, so I finally came here at New Standard and was hired here off the street as a production associate, working in the Caterpillar section. And after a while, after a couple years, watching the tool makers doing their thing, I was fascinated with what they did. And finally, Bob Strickler came around and asked if there were anybody interested in a tool room apprentice position. And later that day I called him up and asked him if that was for women too. He said, yeah, go ahead and apply. So I applied and I got the machinist apprentice position. And after a year I applied for the toolmaker position and got that. And after 5 years of classes and a 10,000-hour program, I graduated with my papers, my journeyman's papers for a tool and die maker, and it was a very fulfilling process, and I'm making a lot more money now than I ever thought I would, in high school. So.
Those employed in manufacturing plants that produce electrical components call on similar abilities. These workers may find themselves putting together a complicated control panel or wiring a state-of-the-art conveying system. The latest technology finds assemblers putting together PLC, or programmable logic controllers. These are computer systems that direct and monitor electrical current to major systems in many industrial operations. Understanding of electronics and the ability to read wiring diagrams is necessary to make it in this exciting occupation. By planning your training and schooling to direct yourself toward a career in assembling, you can make it with good pay and opportunities to advance. In our area, a skilled assembler earns about $40,000 a year. The National Job Outlook for the next decade predicts that there will be a 5% increase in the need for workers in this field, with an additional 88,000 positions opening up. New jobs for people like you that choose to make it as a skilled assembler.